Introducing today our PolyBench range. This is a game changer for civil contractors and engineers on any wastewater manhole installations. How it's helping is there's a whole lot less downtime and multiple setups and multiple installation methods that we can offer due to our customizable fabrication. A couple of different main ways that these are set up is similar to this. We've got this sitting on a stand just for the video purpose, but a setup here where it's internal of the manhole and all connections are done internally of the manhole, and then concrete is formed as a bench at a later stage once the connections are done, and then the aperture box you can either pour to this height or cut down to suit at the right height. Obviously we've got our concrete crip liner here so we don't any movement with the box for long-term installations. And then secondly, we have set up with the corbels on the outside, which might be something that the engineers specified or often a traditional way of doing it, and you'll set up your corbel punch hole through your manhole and perform your joint outside the benching. So obviously that section comes longer, and you can see more information about that on our website. This setup here is we've got set up with a 300mm PVC connection. You can see that this has been set up to be a right invert level with the ridge here showing, so that when we push our 300mm PVC in, we've still got a smooth bore flowing through and correct invert levels, so you can camera your line, there's not going to be any issues. Other side we've got 355 PE coming in, and then here same thing again, connection for 150 PVC, again right connection size and at the right invert level. This is just a sample setup, so here this is a Y configuration. We've done lots of these with maybe it's a 62-degree angle coming through back out to the mains, whatever the angle might be. Not necessarily a Y connection, maybe it's a double Y connection. Whatever your manhole requires, we're able to fabricate it. Right, some key benefits that using the PolyBench system provides is, number one, you can connect up any type of pipe. So if you've got GRP coming in this side, concrete coming out, and you're running new PVC, or maybe it's a PE line out onto AC, whatever it might be, we can match to suit. We just need all that information, which we request from you at the time of design. Number two, obviously it's a long life solution, so big benefits versus normal concrete benching and haunching that's going to have corrosion problems in the future. Using HDPE takes that away. And another benefit, huge benefit we hear from clients, is the changeover time on live systems or live lines. So you can start having your wastewater lines running before having concrete set or forming your proper bench, and there's a lot of benefits with that, as you can imagine, with a whole lot less over pumping, a whole lot less risk in the manhole, having people working at depths, along with many other factors. Overall, a great product for wastewater installations on your next project. I'd love to talk to you. Come reach out to us and we can help you with design. We provide full detailed drawings, which you'll see a sample of on our website, and we'll confirm all other details, which we can then go to a price stage and then work through our process up until delivery onto your site.